and Omosede Igbinedion don't begin to let you understand, say, no be say the first time when she go, she do small thing where be say everybody look big. And this time when she dey waka dey come, so APC come begin the career, begin dey go for the second tenure. Where go be say she go there begin she don't promise the people say when she begin to enter that place, she go do wonderfully. But today, they do primaries. And I say make she use her mouth to tell Edo people, Ovia people, how she take emerge as candidate. Omosede Igbinedion, tell Edo people how.
Today we go Ovia, we go vote. People with their party go vote, and thank God, to the glory of God. Now so I come emerge the winner of the primary election.
Now tell Edo people, tell Ovia people, when you don't win now, we be say the party don't believe say you win. How you go to meet other aspirants to meet with them to work with you wella so that your victory go give defeat to begin to create avenue for 2027 for Tinubu victory. How you go do one?
Well, everybody already done they work together as brothers and sisters. We thank God say the party where we did so don't call everybody and unite everybody, and we all work together. No yawa. We're ready. We're ready to deliver Mr. President. Anyhow it be, we're ready. That one assurance straight. Edo State as a whole, we did ready, completely ready to make sure say APC now the only standing party now. Another one day. No other party did Nigeria again now. So all of the rest of that, I don't know which in the bill, but everybody else now IDP, internally displaced people. So now only APC day. So now so we see them.
How you want to support Bewolo when you reach House of Reps for the next one? You be say election in August. Where you be say if you don't win, you reach there. What is your contribution? How you see Bewolo government? How you want to contribute to his own to succeed for Edo State?
Well, thank God say I be APC, governor can't be APC, so no wahala now. Will they talk and consult the governor? May they tell us how and where he wants us to contribute, because as you see, so governor don't they touch everywhere. So now to complement that effort, now waiting we they try do. So that's it.
Edo people, we don't stand out gidigba for this place where we say una go see and say the press brief where the chairman of the party give and the people for the committee where we say they run the primary all of the day together. Any other person where we say go beyond the chairman, the state secretary, and the national body committee where they say come na obote. And today Omosede Igbinedion don't emerge as the candidate where they represent Ovia North, Ovia South Federal Constituency for the next election where they shall for soon for August. Make una not forget say my name still remain Articulate Petrol, the man we put up body for TMC TV radio.